After designing the analog computer block diagram simulator, it was time to make it a standalone demonstrator. Adding a PS2 keyboard and a DVI video output was all that was needed. The new RP2350 Pico 2 came with an HSTX DVI example program. With a few modifications, it was possible to add text and some graphing capabilities. Example programs could be stored in the keyboard interface, reducing the need to type them in. The PS2 keyboard input uses a modified Steve Benz PS2 keyboard host loaded into an Arduino Uno. His program is reliable and simple to modify. The DVI output is connected per Luke Wren's Pico DVI stock. I hand-wired mine, but you may want to purchase one from Adafruit for about $3. The display program takes data from the UART serial input at 500K baud. There is a select switch to change this to 4800 baud. The green box on the left displays text at 40 lines by 60 characters. Characters use a fixed 5x7 font. The plot area is 256 by 256 pixels. Plots are scaled to plus and minus 10. Full scale can be set for up to 4 plots. 2 plot modes are available: XT strip chart and XY. Data is any fixed point number separated by a space or comma. Only 0 to 9, plus, minus, and decimal point characters are parsed. Plotting is always on and looks to start if a number starts in the text. The text display responds to control characters: form feed, Control L, carriage return, Control M, line feed, Control J, and backspace, Control H. When Control R is pressed, a prompt for example block program loading is displayed. Pressing 1 to 9 loads an example program. Here is an example of XT plotting for the sine-cosine example. Pressing Control T selects the XT mode. To clear the displays, press Control L. The XY mode is set by pressing Control Y. The first numeric value is the x-axis and the second numeric value is the y-axis. If more than 2 number columns are present, only the first 2 are used. Plot full scale is set by typing number, followed by 1 to 4, space delimited numbers. Number 100, space, 100, space, 256, carriage return. Sets plot 1 to plus or minus 100, plot 2 to plus or minus 100, and plot 3 to plus or minus 256. 0 is always mid-scale. The Program 2 example presets the scales when loading. When the program runs, the step input, the output response, and the time are plotted. Resources for building this project. Do widzenia.